Connect the power cable, data cable, and adjustment controller separately. First, turn on the laser button, and then turn on the galvanometer button. Open the test file. Stop the assembly line. Open the production line function, stop the assembly line. Close the pedal mode, modify the sensor/foot mode in the modification mode. Change the number of continuous codes to 2000 to 2500. Return to the home page and start coding. Test optoelectronic switch. Open the red light guidance. Turn the handle, adjust the focal length. Finding the bright spot of Baiguang. Here is the focus point. Record the distance from the lens to the lens, which is convenient for the next time. After adjusting the positive focus, insert the U-disc and import the marking file. Open the production line first. Set the flow line from left to right. Choose to use the encoder. Set in diameter to 64 mm. The number of pulses per circle is set to 2000 to 2500. The flight coefficient is set to 0.08 to 0.0805. Open the coding mode. Set the pedal switch to trigger code. In the mode, set the coding mode to general. Sensor distance setting to 10 mm. Trigger signal shielding distance adjustment. According to the actual situation. Turn on. Adjust the flow rate according to the actual situation. Adjust the photoelectric trigger device. The object flickered when the object passes through the surface. Start the label machine and start coding flight. Device shut down.